entrepreneurs, we are all looking for some kind of support to take us through this time. And we are looking
Sorry,
to...
can I interrupt? Can everybody go on mute and I'll unmute you whenever there's a requirement because there's a lot of background noise. Devanshi is talking. Sorry, Devanshi.
So we just discussed that how can we make this conversation a part of LinkedIn Local, because this is essentially a community made to support each other, and it's all about offline networking. So we thought that everyone is facing challenges right now in their work sphere, and kya wo challenges hain, and you know, and how are you looking for support? What kind of support are you expecting? A lot of times we want to help each other, but we don't know how to help each other also. It could be something very basic. It could be something like somebody asking for a connect with someone. So let's talk about that. Surbhi, I think you can take over right now. I mean,
Sure.
yeah.
Sure. So yeah, so as Devanshi rightly said, it all came on the day when I was I started posting about the support, and then coincidentally, me and Devanshi were talking, and she gave this idea that we need to do something about it rather than sitting. And it doesn't matter that we have only 10% people are here today in this group. It's like a subgroup today, but let's try. I mean, Anita is here as well. I'm just trying to keep admitting people. Let's try to do our best. What are the things, and go with some takeaways, key takeaways कि ये आज करना है, so that the other person can help. Let's not try to think कि हमें कैसे help मिलेगी. Let's try to think of how we can help others. क्योंकि if we are helping each other, so automatically आपको भी अपनी help मिलेगी. That's what I think. So everybody, let's be very honest. Let's be very open about it. There's nothing to be hidden unless you don't want to divulge any details. Absolutely up to you, of course. But let's make it a little transparent. What do you require? Just name it and let's find a solution for it, hopefully. So before we start, there's a small poll, and let me know if you don't see it on the screen. I just want you to it'll take like a minute on your screen. Can you just answer? Everybody can answer this. I hope everybody can see it.
I can't click, like I have to click on it. I can't, how do I, my response, how does my response get registered?
I'll see it. One person has already answered. Two people have answered. Yeah. Two people have submitted.
There is a submit option, no?
Yeah. So once you have selected,
then next you have to click next button.
I want to learn this technique.
You have to keep something up your sleeve, right? So five people have already answered. Of course, I am not doing the poll. It's not letting me do the poll.
Okay, 9.
Questions are there.
Can you see the results?
Yes.
Because I have made it visible. Yeah, I have made it visible to everybody. No? Okay. So Devanshi can see it because she's a co-host.
We can't see, so we can't see that.
All right, okay. So I'll read it out. कोई एक बचा है जिसने नहीं किया अभी. There's only one person who's left.
There are 13 people and 10 people have voted.
Yeah, 10 have voted.
So mine and yours is not getting registered?
Possibly because we are hosts. Okay, so I think
no,
over to you.
Counting 13. If it is counting 13, then I think all will be calculated.
No, it's counting 11 only. Me and Devanshi have been left out because we are hosts. We cannot vote. Okay, so over to you, Devanshi. You see the results.
So all 10, I mean 100% of all of the people attending this have said that they are facing challenges in their business and job right now. What challenges are you facing if you have a business? Maximum response, 60% people said is a loss of revenue, and 50% said that it is a fear of losing customers. Only 10% said that there is the ambiguous rules is creating a challenge for them. Okay. So I'm going to end this poll right now then. Yeah. Okay. So we all agree that there is a situation that needs to be addressed. Let's start by first introducing ourselves. Please tell us what you do, and just about in a minute, if you can talk about what you do, what's your work all about, and in another minute, if you can share with us what is the challenge that you are currently facing in your work sphere. Whoever gives in their name on the chat first, we'll start with them. And we'll cover everyone, whoever wants to speak. If you don't want to speak, that's also okay. But if you would speak, it would be really nice, क्योंकि हमें फिर पता चलेगा कि किसकी क्या दिक्कत है इस वक्त. So if you can just put your name on chat, we will unmute that person and they can speak about their current challenges. Anyone?
Can you just type as Devanshi is written?
Yes, Devanshi, I can speak.
Okay, Simran, let's start with you.
Yeah. So I am into wellness industry, looking after salon, gym, and slimming center, and along with that, food industry, healthy snacking. So regarding gym and slimming, I can't see anything for another 2 months. But yes, I'm hopeful in regard to the salon, and yes, very hopeful for my Kiros, because we are into healthy snacking. We have apple cider vinegar as well. So for the salon industry, I'm planning to start home salon services along with the services which can be given at a salon physically, because since we'll have to maintain social distancing, so we are planning to have one client at a time. So both the things will go parallelly. So, and regarding Kiros, we are available on Swiggy now. So anybody can order in Lucknow. It's easily available. So what I expect from my community, they can in regard to Kiros, if they are having Kiros, they like the taste, they can order, or they can promote on their social media that our friends venture, like anything you can write. Like it's a healthy snack, you must have, available on Swiggy. And salons, you can refer our salon to your friends, your family, to anyone. So I expect this from my community.
Great, Simran. Thank you. Next, Rachita. Can you unmute?
Mute. Rachita, you're on mute.
Yeah. Okay. Am I audible now? Yeah. So hi everybody, and I'm running a recruitment agency, an HR consultancy, typically into recruitments. So the challenge that we are facing is very obvious. All companies are going on retrenchment, for that matter, on layoffs and salary cuts and all. So when talking of recruitment, they're all on either or everything is on hold, or it's on freeze, or things like that. And this is going to happen for quite some time, even after the business opens up, because whatever loss that you've incurred in your business, you first try to make up for that rather than recruiting new manpower or taking in more people. So I also, in the last question, I also said, because I understand at this point of time that how Lilo as a community would not help, because even big corporates are not being able to help a situation like this. So I don't know how anybody, for that matter, even a community, would be helpful in this. However, the only thing that I can expect, which I'm actually developing a module for corporates now, is that we are trying to provide them with contractual staff where they will not be able to, where they will not have to pay as much as they have to pay to a consultant. It will be contractual, and these people have been laid off, so it's actually going to help them. And at the same time, you can get them at almost throwaway prices. Whatever normally as a consultant I charge, it is going to be bulk manpower that I would be supplying at very, very little cost. And plus it's also, and these people are all laid off people from different companies who would be willing to work at a much lesser salary than they were actually drawing. So until and unless the market scenario gets better. So this is in fact the challenge that we are facing. We're trying to overcome that. It's with your own little business that you can do. But of course, recruitment is going to be a difficult thing in coming time.
Absolutely. I mean, it's some problems are going to be harder to solve than others. I
Yes.
think, and I think an HR consultant's job right now is going to be a huge challenge.
Yes.
Yeah. All the best.
Yeah. Thank you.
So next up we have Chavi. Can we unmute Chavi? Chavi, are you there?
I unmuted her, but
Chavi?
not able to unmute her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Chavi, and I am into education abroad, and my industry has really hit now. And I have a franchisee module which I'm running in Lucknow, and I feel my industry has really hit, and I guess for another 2 years there's no hope in this industry. But yes, I am facing that challenge because my head office keeps telling me that people are looking into education abroad, and students are going, but I really want a good review back from my Lilo family, maybe, that what do you say, is there any scope of this as of now? And I'm really confused at this point of time. Do I continue with this business, or do I switch on to something else? That's quite a challenge for me. What do you all say?
Okay, we'll come back to the solutions, suggestions, Chavi. Your question noted, but we will come back to the solutions members. Sorry, who's that?
I think Sangla had the mic on, so I've just muted her.
Okay, so next we'll ask Khushbu to introduce herself and to speak about her challenges.
Hi, can you all hear me?
Yeah.
So I'm Khushbu, and I'm an image consultant and a soft skills trainer. So, before the lockdown, I was doing some trainings with some schools and colleges, and I was even lined up for some offices. But because of the lockdown, obviously it all has gone off the plan, and it has all gone, it was not expected. So now what I'm expecting is, so this is the time when we all being at homes, we can still, develop and, upgrade our skills and our knowledge regarding our, I think that, our image is how we see ourselves and also how others see us. And it is very important for us, for everyone, as a, for the success. So I think that from what I expect from the Lilo family is, if they can recommend me to other people, as in, if people want one-on-one consultations, or if they want their staff, if they have like a small number of staff or even a larger number, that is okay, to be trained on some topics for both image or soft skills, whatever they think is important for motivation, sales, or for image also, self-esteem and everything. So that will be great if that is what I'm expecting. And all of you also, if you can, if anyone is looking for one-on-one consultation on image, there are many things. Of course, there are many modules. So once, if anyone is interested, then they can contact me one-on-one, and if you can recommend me to others, that'd be great too. Thank you.
Thank you, Khushbu. I think we'll get back to you as well. Next is Shoma. Shoma, can you unmute yourself, please? Let us know what you do. Let us know what is it. How I think I actually thought that yours would be a kind of work which would not be facing a challenge right now, but you share your experience with us, please.
No, it's not so, Devanshi. Definitely, see, handmade is something which people don't buy on a daily basis. It is more like a luxury, isn't it? So that's the reason why the challenge is there. And so because of that, I have definitely now I'm trying definitely to get back to my clients and get back to the customers and trying new things, of course, upcycling, more of upcycling rather than new items that I would otherwise make. That is there, but then yes, it definitely takes a toll because I don't have exactly the things that maybe people want. uh, Maybe you might be looking for a very low budget item, maybe a very, but right now that is like I out of question right now. No gifting, no as such celebrations are on, and we don't even know what will be the scenario coming Diwali or coming festivals, for the upcoming festivals, and what would be the market demand. So I would, that is what I would want the Lilo family to help me out with. If you can just pitch in your ideas and whatever you would be looking for. And another thing is that regarding the training part, where I take classes for calligraphy and the various art forms, that definitely has picked up in a way, because children are all at home and they don't have access to school or any other classes. But yes, if when because I have online classes which I take through Zoom, yes, thanks to Surabhi. And so because of that, definitely classes are on. But then the handmade work part has definitely taken a backseat right now. So that is where I would want people to, the community to help me out with, because that is something that is my passion. So I would definitely not like to let go of it. And more suggestions are definitely welcome.
All right. Thank you, Shoma, for sharing your experience. That was a double 2 points there. One about your the work that you do in terms of handmade gift items and household organizing items, and the second is, of course, the online classes that you take for various things. Both have had a different trajectory at this time.
True. True.
Yeah. All right, we get that. So can I unmute Digi Hive? You've raised your hand.
Oh,
Yeah. Do you want
oh,
to say
I just,
you were just trying out the feature?
yes, sorry, my mistake.
No, that's fine. Okay. So far, just to do a small recap for everyone who's joined in late, we're just asking all the members who are here to share a little bit about their work and how it has been affected during the lockdown. And the idea why we're sharing this is not to weep about ye sab mera kaam kharab ho gaya aur ye sab, but to find a solution, to be a support group. What kind of support can we give each other? I think one of the things that just listening to all of this makes me feel is that I'm not alone in this, and that is also a kind of support. I don't know if it works for other people. Let's move on to the next person, which is Girish. Girish, can you unmute yourself, please?
Yeah, so can you hear me?
Yeah.
So my name is Girish. So recently, like 6-7 months back, I've started a startup with the name of Two Baby Toys. That was for renting toys. We were renting toys to home and birthday parties. So that was hit hard after this lockdown, because now nobody wants the renting toy because of hygiene and viruses and all. So I don't see that it will regain its space again in next 3 to 4 months or 6 months. So keeping that aside, uh, in the month of March, we have launched a software for stock market broker. So I would request my community and Lilo family that if they can help me in connecting with stock market brokers, financial advisors, and so on, so that I can pitch them my solution that I'm providing and software that I'm providing for stock market traders. And stock market is gaining its highest peak after the fall from its peak. So this can be something which might interest many people, and people are also registering, but there's something people have to subscribe, and it is a paid subscription. People wanted to save money as of now. So if somebody can help me in advising in financial advisor, so that I can project my this subscription package and software. Second, the third thing is my bread and butter was in Shri Technocrat. I was one of the owners of that company. In fact, I'm owner of that company. But what happened that we were providing solution to large institutes like IITs, NCLs, IISER. They are all government colleges and institute. And recently, after this lockdown, two situation arised. Number one, all of them need the IT solution. We were providing them the solution, but they need an like online teaching and online assignment, examination, everything was provided. But what they don't have is the money to pay us. So I would like to everybody to give me suggestion that what all we can do to help institute, number one, and how I can get in connection with other national institutes, national colleges, universities in UP and Lucknow. If somebody can help me in connecting with them, that would be great.
Okay, thank you, Girish. We've noted your points as well, and challenging again, to say the least. You started a new business. A lot of people who had started new ventures are especially challenged right now because you put in your ideas and your energy to, come up with a concept you think is the need of the time, as you did with your toy business, which is a brilliant idea, I think. And suddenly there's something like this that comes up and totally throws your plans off gear. So yeah, we're all there, I think. Let's hear from Surangama now, what she has to say about her experience during the lockdown when it comes to her work.
Okay, hi. So I'm Surangama. I'm a lawyer by profession. Okay, so now being a professional, I believe that a lot of us are, like all of us are facing some of the other problem. But with professionals, one thing is very unsustainable, that what the situation what we have today is all that we have reserved. Now, आने वाले 2 से 3 महीने में, and personally I believe courts are the place जो आने वाले 5 to 6 months में भी शायद पूरी तरीके से functional ना हो. So what we young professionals, we are facing a problem that right now that all these court proceedings are really difficult, and it's completely on a electronical basis, and not all matters are getting listed, so that there's a lot of complex situation when it comes to litigation as of now. But I would like to tell that I am also into corporates and IPRs. So if any of us, like मैंने काफी बार ये चीज बताया हुआ है already LinkedIn में, and we have many other lawyers also. But if in case किसी को भी, क्योंकि contractual or intellectual या if you come across any force majeure clause or any such thing, any rental or any sort of issue or any sort of dispute wherein contracts are required, maybe we need not meet in person, but yes, we can share documents, and I would love to help you guys. Help you, or अगर आपको लगता है कि you can refer me to someone else. So it would be great if, like, my friends can keep this in mind, that yes, you have a lawyer with you all. So that's it. That's all I want to say. And जितने लोगों को भी difficulties हो रही है, guys, let us do things which we were not able to do so far. Like, I have started my YouTube channel. I started dancing now more. I wasn't getting chance for that. So we need to distract and we need to deviate our mind in order to keep ourselves busy. That's it. And all the best to all of us out here.
Absolutely agree with you, Surangama. I come from a family of lawyers. My father is a lawyer. My uncle is a lawyer. My brother is a lawyer. So I know where you're coming from. And so there was this joke that happened in our family WhatsApp group. And when the lockdown got extended the last time, and my father said, and somebody's put a screenshot saying that courts will not open. So my father just put a message there saying, court, what was that? I don't remember what I was even doing before this, because it seemed like so long back now that we've been like living just like this.
Right.
A scenario for a lot of lawyers, especially the younger lawyers. I think it's your turn now to share your experience.
Hello, can you hear me? Myself, Dr. Kirti Agarwal. I am a dentist by profession. Okay. What I can help you, my community, by providing online consultation for my Lilo family. And what else I can do is any dental emergencies, I can provide facilities, which I till now is doing for my patients. ठीक है, any kind of dental help, if anybody required, I will help it.
Thank you, Kirti. But would you like to also share if there? I mean, it's yours is a job that requires a lot of physical contact, and social distancing is not really something that can become part of your profession.
Yeah, but I know I am taking a lot of precautions. I am using PPE kits. I'm fumigating my clinic for my dental emergencies. ठीक है, ऑनलाइन कंसल्टेशन आई एम प्रोवाइडिंग. किसी की अक्ल झाड़ निकल रही है तो किसी को अल्सरेशन हो रही है, किसी को सेंसिटिविटी बहुत सारी हो रही है क्योंकि खूब सारा खाना पीना चल रहा है, तो दैट आई एम डूइंग ऑन माय फोन. ठीक है, ऑर्थो कंसल्टेशन which my those patients are with whom I am working is I am giving small videos just to initiate that, to maintain the hygiene. That I am doing. किसी को दर्द हो रहा है, I can make him help or her to solve those problems.
All right. Okay. Thank you, Kirti. Thank you so much. Nobody's given in their name to speak up next. Would anyone like to come forward? No? Surabhi, would you like to share your experience? Okay, Sanjay ji, would you want to share? Yes, please.
Yes, definitely. Myself, Sanjay Arora. I am also into wellness industry. Basically, I am a wellness coach. Earlier lockdown, what we were doing that suppose if I contact any of my client, or if my client contact me, we used to call them at my center for counseling and for suggestions, for body analysis, for their diet plan, or for nutrition, for all these kind of things. And we used to provide samples also. Like first day, if they are coming to me, I used to give them the sample of my nutritional product, just to feel the taste and just to feel the change in their body. So this was my modus operandi before lockdown. But this thing is missing. The personal touch or personal contact is missing right now. But what we are doing right now, I'm more on online. So we are contacting them more online, and just consultation is always there, going online and all. But the taste part or the sampling part is missing now. So we are providing directly material to my clients. My existing clients are okay. They are all well off, and they are all well known to me, and we are in good relationship also. So they used to call me, and I am providing them all kind of my products. But this time, getting a new product, getting a new client is little harder, in fact, because we have to give them the online presentation. We have to do lot of Zoom meetings. That's why I am doing lot of meetings, even WhatsApp meetings also. Lot of people are afraid of doing Zoom meetings because of rumors that Zoom is not safe and all that. So WhatsApp meetings are going on, and we give them the presentations. We just tell them the diet plan or any kind of, but it is very tough without any contact with the client. I'm just giving them the suggestions on just what they are saying to me, or they are just showing to me on the basis of that. But because we are just providing the nutritional product, so now these days nutrition is very important. Everybody is aware of now what wellness is. This kind of time, wellness is very important right now. So everybody is aware of wellness. So we are providing the nutrition, and we are supplying also in Lucknow area, because this is the essential commodity, so it is free to move. So we are providing, we are like giving them, sending any day, anywhere, like in Lucknow, Alambagh, Gomti Nagar, people are calling me, and we are giving them the material. So I just want to my community that if anybody needs any kind of suggestion, any kind of consultation for the nutrition or any kind of material, because our products are basically a food replacement also. Like you can use it in place of food. Suppose you want to take breakfast, so just one shake will complete your breakfast, and it is easy to make and good in taste. So you just can have one shake, and your breakfast is done.
Right.
Okay. Like dinner also, lunch also, you can take by this product.
very
These are
popular.
all nutrition products.
We are all been familiarized with what you're saying. It's a very popular concept, and a lot of people have benefited from it as well.
Yes,
You know,
yes,
it's wonderful, and I think you're right. This is a great time for people to get into shape and to go on a diet, maybe, or to get into a healthier lifestyle. As
healthier lifestyle, nutritional lifestyle.
Absolutely.
Because the things are coming in the right now. The things are not coming. In fact, they are not easily available. And which things are coming, you are not sure that these are things are.
Absolutely correct.
So that's why the other product.
We have new people joining in, Devanshi. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's wonderful. We have more people joining in. Arpita is here. Hi, Arpita.
Hi. Sorry for being late. Had a meeting to attend. How are you?
Very good. Very good. Okay, so we'll move on to the next speaker, which is Mohit. Mohit, can you unmute yourself, please?
I'll do that. Yeah, hi everybody. I'm Mohit. I am into education, training, and consulting business. So yes, in education we had two parts of it: preschool and after school. Preschool had got a big hit. We are trying some online classes that initially for the first month we were apprehensive, but they have started giving us results. But still, there is a huge loss of revenue which I'm facing in the preschool business. In the after school business, first 15-20 days were actually really very tough. But of late, I'm seeing some traction, but a long way to go there also. In terms of training and consultancies, training, there was a big hit, but now what I'm seeing is there are some requirements which are cropping up because of 2-3 things. Technology, this online technology, not everybody is too much conversant with. So this is one area, one opportunity that is coming up, and otherwise also people are investing in, like we also said, this image consultant was there, and I don't remember her name. So she also said that we need to build our own skill. So that is coming up a bit. So that is one part. Second, I am as working as a subject matter expert with 1 or 2 managing recruitment consultants. So they have parallelly started some business which is coming up now, wherein I am helping them in automobile, in consulting to automobile industry, automobile people. So I have been profiling candidates for them. So they are building a database, and also that is going on well. But yes, in terms of education, because of initial days, and this has got a big hit. I also want to add 2-3 things other than my business and issues. If you think it is the right time, or I can speak later. Your Devanshi or Surabhi can tell
I
me.
think we can let others, like let everyone get a chance to speak, and then there'll be ample time for all of us to discuss other issues.
Great.
Thank you so much, Mohit. So again,
Yeah.
50-50 for you as we gather. Some things might be in demand and some things are declining in demand. Vikas, can you unmute yourself and share your experience as well?
Hi, I'm Vikas. I'm right now owning a company, Digital Solutions for You, and I've been transitioning from the service industry, a lot of the services, from doing the service for companies, and then moving on to my own entrepreneurship, that is business itself. So the transition I started in September 2019, and now making our more product like chatbots, working on chatbots. So I was forecasting that the chatbots would be, a hot deal in March, April, and this is where this all the strategy was there. And suddenly this 2 things happens, like the lockdown and some of my personal family problems also. So it got stuck right now. So what I'm trying to do right now is trying to understand what the trend is and trying to adapt to the new, I would say, new normal situation which is going to happen. and trying to find out how to get the revenue right now, because that business still is a long way to go, and the distance is now increased with this lockdown. So one of the challenges which I mentioned was ambiguous rules was something which is very important for me right now, is to develop this strategy. The need from this Lilo family is that if anyone can, I have the skills related to IT. So the neat thing is I need to strategize. If anyone can help me in, modifying my product, or, suggesting something that we can do together. It's not alone. Like I'm right now alone, working for one of the projects at Aliganj. It's not that it's completely idle, but still, when you are trying to do the strategy part, I do need help. If any can help me in understanding what I should do. Either should I go back to the service and do the job again, or continue with my aspirations for business. That's one. The give I can give for this Lilo family is anything related to the IT industry. If you anything within my competency, I am readily available without any cost for this Lilo family for consultation. Thank you.
Thank you, Vikas. Thank you for offering help as well. That's great. That's
absolutely, yeah. That's the spirit.
Partha, would you like to speak next? Since we are only 2-3 people left who haven't shared their experiences yet. Anyone here wants to volunteer, or maybe Surbhi or I can share our experience in the meanwhile?
Hello, everyone. Can you hear me? Okay. Hello, everyone. Hi, this is Parth. Lockdown changes. Okay. Recently, I have shifted to a business which was mainly into PVC doors and windows. This is the real estate, again in real estate sector. And you all know real estate already has been reeling under this economy conditions. So what I did in the lockdown period was did a lot of thinking on self-development and options. So options for new avenues, I mean. So right now, I'm working, starting to work from tomorrow. We are opening our offices with 33% of employees. So now we are venturing into braille signages. Actually, it is mandatory from the government to have braille signages on all the public buildings, right? From like metro stations, railway stations, airports, malls, hospitals, everything. That has not been properly implemented yet. So I'm going to start working on that, and I will just need help of you all, who all could connect me to those people who will be able to implement these or help me in this. This is I have done in my lockdown period. I will be working on it, and I will all suggest, I mean, we must be doing it. Concentrate on 2 things. Keep healthy, not only eat healthy, be healthy by working out, right? Physical workouts, because you will be needing to put in 200, 300% whenever you start to go back to your work. So keep healthy and think positive. Unless and until you are positive, you won't be able to think in the right direction. Believe me. That's all. Thank you all.
Thank you so much. Thank you for the motivation as well. All those who haven't shared their opinions and experiences yet, does anyone want to come up and share their experiences? Arpita, would you like to share? Anyone else?
I think Rakshit is here who has not spoken. Sorry, Arpita has also, sorry.
Dr. Ashish not spoken.
Not spoken.
I haven't.
Raising their hands.
Okay.
Okay, Arpita, let's start with you and then we'll move on to others as well. Yeah.
Sorry.
I think lockdown crisis और इस पर ही बात चल रही है ना, because मतलब क्या changes आए हैं regarding to business and all.
What we're talking about is what are the challenges you are facing in your personal and professional, basically your professional life.
Yes.
And we're looking to create a support group for that, for everyone's challenges. That's what we're looking at. Yeah. basically.
मेरे प्रोफेशन को तो बहुत बड़ा हिट हुआ है क्योंकि वी हैव टू डायरेक्टली वर्क इन द माउथ ऑफ द पेशेंट. So there are huge chances of infection to the doctor as well as to the patient. So this whole dentistry has been hugely hit. So I don't know कितना time लेगा अभी recover के लिए. But yes, हमारा क्योंकि पूरा का पूरा focus सिर्फ dentistry था, not no any other side field or any other job, any other work. So we are trying to revive things, trying to make more processes, trying to come up with some ideas कि ठीक है कुछ और क्या क्या कर सकते हैं. Sterilization and all these things तो वो तो ठीक है, वो एक part था, but एक fear भी है हर patient, हर आदमी के दिमाग में एक fear बैठ गया है कि इतना close contact में if we come to a doctor or a patient तो कितना वो successful होगा. Doctors के लिए भी एक बहुत बड़ा मतलब fear खतरा है कि patient हमने देखा and if he is not corona positive का test हम हर patient का mandatory नहीं है, नहीं करा सकते. So नहीं कराया, positive हुआ तो वो कैसे spread होगा, उसको कैसे रोकना है. और in case कोई बाहर जाके भी positive case हो गया तो पूरा क्वारंटीन हो जाएगा हॉस्पिटल. सो ये सारे केसेस हैं, प्रॉब्लम्स हैं जो जिसका अभी सोल्यूशन नहीं है, ना आईडीए के पास है ना गवर्नमेंट के पास है. तो लेट्स सी, आई एम जस्ट होपिंग फॉर द बेस्ट कि डॉक्टर्स को या हॉस्पिटल्स को ये लोग कैसे रिवाइव कराएंगे. विल हैव टू सी द केस. लीलो से आई एम जस्ट आई विश टू गिव एंड जस्ट होप कि एक वो पॉजिटिव एनवायरनमेंट बना रहे. That is the best we all can give to each other, positive vibes, and Lilo is doing that perfectly. So that's all from my side.
Okay, thank you, Arpita. Quickly, we'll move on to Dr. Ashish Jain. Yes. We can't hear you. Dr. Ashish, we can't hear you.
I think is he there?
He is there, but
He's there and
some
he's wanting to speak a message. So
connection issues.
okay, so okay, he's saying he'll fix the audio and come back.
Okay.
Right.
So who else do we have here?
Swapnil hasn't spoken.
I
would like to speak, Surbhi ji.
So I was just trying to, if you want to go first before Swapnil. I'm just trying to call the names. And Ashish is fixed, I think, is the headphones. So 3 definitely on, I'm just taking the names.
Anita,
I think only three, Anita Agrawal.
Yeah. So like we can start.
Four of us. Yeah. And then of course Devanshi and myself.
कौन बोल रहा है?
Apurva was requesting, I think, to speak.
Apurva, Swapnil, any of you want to go first?
Okay. Shall I go?
Devanshi has given the names, but I think so Ashish is there, Anita.
Okay. I'm sorry, I don't have everyone's name coming up here, so that's why I'm a little
Okay.
Confused.
Why don't you go ahead, since you've been raising your hand since you joined?
Somebody has to go. It's like Lucknow mein hai. Pehle aap.
I'll just start.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like everybody knows that I'm a home baker, and we are majorly based on the exhibitions and the corporate orders and the wedding orders, which generally come up. So this time, wedding ka bahut zyada season tha. So we had a lot of orders. Like for the first time, we had a lot of orders in April and May. So we had a lot of preparations and everything, and fruits ka season bhi tha. तो हमारे पास squashes and jams and chutneys काफी सारी बनी हुई थी. So we were completely in a soup wali position. What will we do with so much of stuff? And then came in groceries on Zomato and Swiggy. So that was one thing which was a savior for us. So uske through we started our business, and it is really helping us because we do everything which is preservative free and chemical free. तो उसके लिए हमें बहुत ज़रूरत होती है कि everything gets spoiled very quickly because of no preservatives and all. So then I started this Swiggy and Zomato thing, and we're getting very good orders. And through Genie also, we know a lot of people who are doing teas and namkeens and all. So these people are also getting very good orders through Swiggy and Zomato. So one side, they've actually helped people and business grow.
Exactly.
Okay, so there was a challenge in your industry which
Whoever has a phone call, please, can you mute yourself?
I just got an order, so I've muted myself. Sorry.
Okay.
All right. So I was saying that there was a challenge that you that came up, and you've tackled that challenge. There's a way out for a limited way out for you guys, at least right now, which is great. We have 2 more people left to go. Who would like to speak up next?
Shall I go?
Yeah, please do.
Hi, good evening, everyone. I'm Swapnil. I represent a company called DigiHive. We are a digital marketing agency based in Lucknow. And over the period of time, since this COVID-19 situation has arrived, it's been difficult to work with the team because they're working remotely and sometimes they're having issues with their systems or internet. But then we're just keeping in touch regularly and सबसे update लेते रहते हैं कि क्या हो रहा है. And surprisingly, digital के लिए this is a very good opportunity because right now everybody should be on digital, like online platform. So हमारे पास we are getting a lot of inquiries nowadays regarding developing a website or social media presence for that matter. In fact, few of the clients जिन्होंने शायद for any reason काम रुकवाया था या pause किया था, they have always they've come back again saying that we want to redo our online thing. And so I would request anybody like in the Lilo that to be ready once the lockdown finishes. Make sure that you are online, you have a company website, you are on social media, whatever platforms that suit you, because the consumer behavior is now going to shift mainly towards online. People are not going to come out that often to buy stuff. They'll be like ordering stuff from their home or will be available on their mobile phones or internet. That is one of the things I would recommend everyone think about how to get your business online and how you brand yourself within this lockdown period, जिससे कि जब situation ठीक हो तो people they prefer to buy your service or product. Personal level पे, it was my wedding, as Surabhi knows, on 17th of April, so we had planned everything, और last moment में आगे the cards were printed and stuff, और बस चीजें pause पे हैं and reschedule करने भी डर लग रहा है, although the hotels were very supportive of the fact, so they have agreed to change the date, but अभी यही नहीं पता लग रहा कि कब reschedule करें, कि this situation is just seem कुछ time तक चलेगी, and moreover it's going to affect everybody's lifestyle and how they go out. And so yeah, if you need any kind of help in regards to digital or website or anything, just reach out to me. Currently we are just launching Lilo's new website, which is designed by my company, so we're working closely with Surabhi. So very soon you're going to see a new product.
The social media
and the social, all the creatives and everything you see on LinkedIn and social media is done by my team. So yeah, किसी को भी requirement हो, I'm there to help. Thank you.
Great, Swapnil. Since we're talking about digital, I think I can just in continuation of what you're saying, since what I also do is related to the digital online field, but slightly different, because what I'm heading is a portal which curates the best of Lucknow.
Yeah.
Of course, there are a lot of so we have a lot of genre content and we have a lot of paid content on our website.
Yeah.
And the paid content is how we sustain ourselves, because we're a business. We're not getting grants from anywhere to promote tourism in the city. Exactly. So we need to sustain ourselves, and that paid promotion bit is of course gone down because everyone's revenues have plummeted. So their marketing revenues, of course, are
Definitely, yeah. So what I would suggest is, all the brands, the big brands. So we're working with brands like Hero MotoCorp, and so the marketing budget has actually shrunk. But still, where the opportunity lies is that digital is far more, result oriented than offline. So the offline marketing is going to just vanish for a couple of months. No hoardings, no offline advertising. But then with digital, it's like even if you have 10 rupees, you can run an ad. Even if you have 1,000 rupees, you can run an ad, and you can know where, what results are you getting. So that is where the opportunity is. And I forgot to mention, a lot of the offline marketing companies are approaching us because they want to now also have digital as part of their offerings. Like things like online event companies are coming up. So they want experienced people to handle that sort of event, and they do all the servicing. So
in case you know somebody who requires a bigger platform, to reach out to the Lucknow audience.
Yeah.
You know that now Lucknow is there, and we have an organic audience. Result oriented, absolutely. Of course, that's me just selling my brand. But there are a lot of challenges. As you said, working remotely with the team is one of them. A lot of things that we do is difficult to manage when we are not face to face. So that is one of the biggest challenge. I'm definitely looking for support from the Lilo community because I feel that's what it was intended for, to support each other, offline networking. So I try and support all of us in whatever way I can through Now Lucknow. And even LinkedIn local events which are open to people, I have featured on now. And it would be nice if you guys can also recommend it to your friends or family if you like the website. That is, there is no money involved. Absolutely, you just have to click a like and follow. So that's what I feel right now. Yes, to keep the readers engaged with content that is relevant is a challenge, in the sense that I'm not just an advertising website. So we don't want to just keep pushing out brands कि ये खरीद लो, ये देख लो, ये.
I think people are आज के time पे like consumer are that much savvy कि उन्हें पता है कि if you're trying to really sell them, or does your product actually has a value. So it's just highlighting those points.
Audience engaged is one of the challenges that I'm facing currently, because there just doesn't make any sense to put random content on our platforms right now.
True.
Anyway, that was about me. We have Anita ji left to go. Anita, would you like to share your experience as well?
Hi.
And
Hi, everyone.
Ashish as well. Ashish Jan.
Yes, Ashish is back. Yes.
Hello, hi. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, we can hear you. So we'll let Anita ji speak.
Yeah.
Then Ashish.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Yes, Anita.
Hi, everyone.
Hi.
Hi, Survi.
So tell us about what you do, and tell us what challenge you've have to face during this time.
I conduct summer camp from my home for kids, और आर्ट्स और क्रिएटिविटी जो है वो मेरा पैशन है, ये प्रोफेशन नहीं है मेरा, तो मैं घर से ही कराती हूँ बच्चों को कोर्सेज वगैरह। और जो इस समय की प्रॉब्लम है बहुत बड़ी है, लेकिन प्रॉब्लम है तो सोल्यूशन भी हैं उसके और होंगे, और जितने चैलेंजेस हैं उतने ही आइडियाज भी आएंगे हमारे दिमाग में। जैसे कि जब हम 1-to-1 मीटिंग करते थे तो उस समय हमारे दिमाग में कोई जूम मीटिंग का कोई आइडिया नहीं था, लेकिन अब ये इस सिचुएशन में जूम मीटिंग होने लगी तो वो भी एक उसका भी वे आउट निकल आया। तो इसी तरह मुझे लगता है सब थोड़ा पॉजिटिव अप्रोच रखना चाहिए, और जो टफ टाइम है वो अगर एक बार हम उसमें अगर हम संभल गए तो फिर हम नहीं गिरेंगे।
Right. Okay.
So
Thank
no
you.
expectation.
Pardon?
No expectation, Anita, from the Lido group.
I'm not getting your voice.
Devanshi, you want to repeat it?
She's asking, is there anything that you think that we can support you in any way? You know, कि आपको कुछ support हम लोग as a community दे सकते हैं during this time?
आवाज नहीं
नहीं,
clear.
मुझे लगता है कि नहीं, आई एम गेटिंग योर वॉइस। मुझे लगता है कि इस समय तो वैसे भी सब कुछ व्हाट्सएप और ऑनलाइन ही हो रहा है, तो इस पे कराना भी मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है, इस पे भी हो रही है, पॉसिबल हो रहा है मेरा काम। तो ये तो डिपेंड करता है कि वो वर्क कैसा है आपका।
All right, thank you. Ashish.
Hi everyone. So I would like to carry on from where Dr. Arpita left off, and I think we share similar concerns. Being in the medical fraternity, I'm a spine surgeon operating privately, and compared to the government sector, the private sector has been quite badly hit. Obviously, in the medical scenario as well, and it has got not just to do with the COVID incidents and the patients coming up, but also because of the dilly-dally policies that the government has been able to do so far. So we have got a very we haven't got a very clarified guidelines as to how to go, and that has been hitting us. But in a way, that has also been a positive way for me to self-realize and to introspect and sharpen my axe as to what we should do next in order to get better. So I think this was a very important and a much needed zone where I felt that I could hone up my skills, to read more, learn more, and I could actually pursue my much desired way of teleconsultation. So I was already building on that before this all thing appeared. And somehow that had been for the last 1 year. And everyone around me had been asking, how's your teleconsultation doing? And it was not happening because of the lack of time. So the first thing which happened was, once we were in the lockdown, I thought, okay, this is a blessing for me. Let me get started on this. And it has really picked up well, and I'm really happy with how the teleconsultation thing has started. And I think it is very important that at the time we just don't look at what has been the downsides, but also we look at what is the opportunity, and the opportunity is tremendous. And I think this lockdown, it has got over for me, at least now, because my work has now started. But once one thing is which I have recollected is that this thing has actually taught more, and this has been more positive for me, not financially, but in all the other spheres of life. Regarding LinkedIn Local, I think this is a community which is helping in all the zones. So I really, I mean, I have no words to express that how it can help. Definitely, it can help in every individual. There is a lot of contacts there. How it can help increase the revenues, increase the training, increase the capacity building, and I think it is a way to go forward.
I always recommend you, by the way, Ashish.
Thank you so much.
मुझे पता है आपने बहुत सारे लोगों की पीठ सही करी है, including mine.
So one thing in which we are blessed as compared to Dr. Arpita is that they have to deal with the patient's mouth. We have to deal with the patient's back. So we have slightly better.
What is your field of specialization, Dr. Ashish?
I am a spine surgeon.
Okay, excellent.
So anybody has a back problem, because I also once told him that I think we don't know how to sit properly as well. And that's where the lower back and everything, I always have pain. And I have actually consulted Dr. Ashish as well. And he managed to solve my problem. I don't know what he said. There were some magic words. It was just one consultation and it just happened. So really recommend him. Abhi ma'am straight away saying it. I think Roma recently contacted you as well, right? Roma Bachne, yes. So anybody who says back problem, I mean, he's like a super specialty, right? We don't get people, we have doctors and orthopedics and everything, but we don't have people who are dealing just with the back. It's fine.
Thank you so much for the nice words. It was my good luck that you got well so fast. Otherwise, we doctors know that we count on.
Inke paas mat jana. Okay. So I think I'm the last one. Everybody has spoken.
Yes.
So I will keep it brief. Like as always, nobody knows what I actually do. I'll leave it as that. So I'm an independent consultant. The only thing which I look for people, all of you, is if you need any support from me, I'm always there. For LinkedIn community, I'm always there. but please किसी को recommend करिएगा तो बता दीजिएगा कि मैं payment भी लेती हूँ, because I'm a little tired of कि लोगों को the moment I send the invoice, I lose the client. I have no idea what people expect out of me. And I mean, I am trying my best, but the recent thing which I have been, so very briefly, I do trainings and I do a lot of consultation. And e-learning is something which I was my forte. थोड़ा सा मैंने थोड़ा सा भी backbench पे रख दिया था because of the lockdown. I kind of revived it, and I got clients and everything. A lot of preschools contacted me, but the moment I actually mentioned money, they're like, अच्छा ठीक है हम लोग खुद से manage कर लेंगे, which is fine. Let them manage. I'm okay. लेकिन please किसी को recommend करिएगा तो बता दीजिएगा. I take payments as well. So it's like the biggest challenge for me right now. Otherwise, for the LinkedIn community, I'm always there, and I try not to pitch myself in the community because I feel really awkward uh, talking about myself. But yeah, I do work. But otherwise, as everybody's saying, everything is going digital. Since I'm from IT industry, no better time for it. ये तो कहते हैं हम लोग का हिसाब से ये धंधे का time आया है हम लोग का. Literally, that is the way. Suddenly, people remember me like from 5 years, 6 years back. So that way, so I'm okay. So that's the only thing which helps. So I've managed to type everything which except mine, and this is it. It's a long one. Sorry, थोड़ा सा spelling mistake भी होगी. Lekin I have actually managed to type everything. I hope everybody got it. The long message.
Not yet.
No. Oh, it went to Partha alone. Sorry. I keep forgetting to change it to everyone in the meeting. Partha just messaged about the timing. So I think थोड़ा सा spelling mistake होगी because I was typing while people were talking. I hope you all received it.
Yes, now we have.
Yeah.
I have just one suggestion.
Yeah.
Like we had LinkedIn profile, like members profile presentation which you prepared for, and I don't think it has been updated for a
No,
long
it
time.
hasn't, and it will happen very soon.
Okay.
So I think Swapnil, you should answer this one.
Which profile is he asking?
So it's all gone online on the LinkedIn local website, which we kind of went live with it yesterday night only.
Hmm.
So, and once you sign in, you'll be able to see all the members' profile. But I will not ask you to go right now because of the website. थोड़ा सा काम बचा है. थोड़ा
changes.
सा बचा है. So we're working on it. So the idea was to make it online, but because of the lockdown, everything just went a little backbench पे हो गया था. We all had priorities. I had other priorities as well. So that presentation is now like online. People can actually create their edit their profile, and a lot of other options are there. It all directly links you to your LinkedIn, your Instagram. So one of these days we'll send the details in the group, and people can log in and change it. So थोड़ा सा delay हो गया था, but then that's definitely in the pipeline. At the end of the pipeline, at least something is sure. Any other questions?
Okay. So I think we had actually thought that we'll first address all the challenges and then we'll have a second part where we discuss about how LinkedIn Local can help. But everyone, I think, just knew that that's what we were getting at, and they shared already that what they're expecting from this community. So today, let's just take this. Make a little resolution amongst ourselves. That
May I just launch this, Devanshi? This thing, yeah. So which we discussed, and then we'll have a better idea exactly what we're looking for. So it's kind of. I hope everybody can see the poll again. So if you have any other ways you have a suggestion, please click on it accordingly. So we have a clear idea, and then Devanshi, you can probably just recap the session. I hope you can select more than one.
No, you can't.
Oh, okay. At least we'll know which one is the one which we want more. Polling on Zoom is still a new thing. So looks
This
like
is a good
everybody is
time.
looking for reviews and feedbacks and recommendation. Other ways. Somebody has written other ways. there is another way which I would love to know, because I try to think of everything.
Just wondering why it's a radio button. It can be a checkbox also, like more than one.
गलती से क्लिक कर दिया ना वो वाला ऑप्शन.
Okay, then it's okay.
पहले वाला पोल
मल्टीपल ऑप्शन नहीं थे उसमें.
ओके,
पहले वाला पोल सही बनाया था, ये वाला थोड़ा जल्दी में बनाया था, तो कुछ तो गलती.
कोई बात.
ठीक है ना, सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट आंसर आप टिक करिए.
हाँ, so now at least we know what we are actually doing. So basically we are mostly, I think Devanshi, over to you, but like everybody's looking for recommendations, things like.
Yes, absolutely. I think we are all looking for recommendation. Let's make it work both ways. If somebody is recommending you, please also take the opportunity or the time to say thank you to them.
Yes.
Because a lot of time the recommendation or the little tiny bit needs encouragement as well. You know, somebody's done a good deed, say thank you. Just etiquette, nothing else. Second most polled thing is reviews and feedbacks. If there is a particular platform where you want us to review your company, your service, or product, let us know. Whether it's for, it used to be Amazon for Kiros. What can we do it now on? Similarly for others, can it be on your Facebook page? Can it be on your LinkedIn profile? Tell us exactly where you want us to review and give feedback for your services. All the support that we're looking to offer or get is not just monetary. We are not asking for business directly. कि आप हमारे अगर मैं नाउ लखनऊ चला रही हूँ तो आप मेरी साइट पे अपना प्रमोशन करें. That is not what any one of us is getting at, I'm sure. But yes, whoever needs us can be connected to us through our members.
Just one submission here. So I'm not. I know it's not direct selling here. We are not promoting that. Okay, you buy it from it. But the only thing is some of the options which depend on recommending others, sharing feedbacks, or any promotion. You always need one transaction between yourself and the person, between both the parties, to get that confidence. Your recommendation. Say, suppose if you want to recommend somebody, you are not going to recommend it blindly. So if I say Kiros, so what I will do is I'll buy one item, check it out, and then I will recommend, and that is the one way I would say. So that's the genuine review as well. So I only recommend a transaction. I'm not trying to say that, okay, if I have one thing, you directly sell in this community itself. But definitely that should be a quantification or a verification for what you are recommending. That's the only thing I would say. It's not for specifically Kiros. I mean, in general, I won't thank you.
Absolutely.
Because there might be some products which आपको जरूरत नहीं है, आप खरीद नहीं सकते हैं. The point is,
correct.
You might not be doing everyone's, but the thing is, we are a community. Being a community, I know Vikas knows Partha. We know Surbi, we know Devanshi. I mean Swapnil. अगर digital किसी को चाहिए या जिससे related हो, we should recommend in our team only. कि भाई, this being a Lilo member, आप इनसे ले लो. So this should be ठीक है. You have got a point. कि the thing is कि we should practice also, not only preach. अगर जहाँ हम use कर सकते हैं, let us use among our members only. हम लोग आपस में use करें, ठीक है? So actually strong bonding is required. अब थोड़ी सी दिक्कत हो गई, हम लोग physically meetings नहीं हो सकती है, virtual meetings. Thanks to she is मतलब doing it. We are not forgetting each other. So more bonding is required nowadays. Need a very close bonding and help each other. Hand holding is required now.
And I think it's very important at this time to kind of this kind of sessions. I know it's Zoom and it's not real and everything, but I personally found a lot of value because kind of like होता है कि कुछ ना कुछ energy मिलती है एक दूसरे से.
ये जो lockdown का period है, Surbi, it's going to be very helpful
should have
for
weekly
the community.
This kind of meetings we should have weekly, at least once in a week.
Yeah,
absolutely.
Considering जो और other platforms है which are charging arms and legs, उस हिसाब से the value that we are giving the community as a whole, जितने updates, जितने seminars हो रहे हैं, ये help करेंगे build होने में. So this is something we should keep focusing and also promoting and sharing on our platforms. this such kind जो posts आ रही हैं या कोई भी update है, we should share from our social handles. लोगों को दिखे, visibility हो.
Exactly. One of the
इतना
things
और मुझे नहीं किसी का दिख रहा
I
है.
have this is not me, this is not Surbi, this is the Surbi as a LinkedIn local host. One of the things which the reason I stopped doing these virtual sessions is because कोई आ ही नहीं रहा था. So what is the point of doing a session where I'm sitting alone?
We should all be on the Facebook of each other's, on YouTube channels of each other's. We should all.
And I mean, I'm not even talking about my work, but let's say if there's a virtual session planned, even if you cannot come, once in a while, you don't have to share every time, but if you share or if you talk about it or you kind of try, because ultimately things again cost. And I need new members, but मैंने अभी बंद कर दिया है membership वगैरह because obviously because of the lockdown and everything. But the point being कि there are new members who are ready to join, but वही है कि they don't see what is happening. They haven't seen, and there was a lot of value at that time when we were doing it every other day. But then I saw that I was just giving the energy, but no, I was not getting it back. But today is very positive, very nice because this is what is required. Okay.
I'm so glad.
Yeah, I think everybody's here because of Devanshi, not me.
No.
They're tired of listening to me.
No, it's not that. It's just that I am not a very good listener, and very honestly speaking, I'm a poor listener. मुझे बात करने का बहुत शौक है. मुझे थोड़ी देर बाद कुछ बोलने का जरूरत लगती है. You know. So I like interactive sessions. So if I'm ever, if there's interaction, I will always be there. I will be ready to, and I like to hear people as well, but I can't hear them for a very long stretch of time.
I don't agree. You were very good for the past 1 hour and a half. Yes. Yeah.
सुरभि एक चीज सजेस्ट करना चाहूंगा like for the future sessions अभी तो हम लोग discussions करते हैं on a topic. So can we hold something which is more of a learning based session where people can roll in कि आज ये
So we did that, no? We were doing that. We did all these sessions on mindfulness,
जैसे for
HR.
example the class has so much knowledge on chatbots, right? इनके पास तो कुछ
हम
जैसे हम लोग
हमेशा बोलते हैं, I don't mind. And again, it's not about like whether we have 5 or whether we have all the 80 members. वो तो सपना ही है कि सारे members online आ जाए. But then
वो कहीं भी नहीं होता.
कहीं भी नहीं होता है. कहीं भी नहीं होता है. आप
25 to 30%. Active is only 25 to 30%.
But right now 10% is like there. So it's okay, which is not
for me,
worried about the numbers. Mohit,
like
you were saying
from tomorrow I'm working like 9 to 6. So on weekdays I won't be able to join any meetings. That would be my problem. I started working and काफी लोग शुरू करेंगे and believe me, आप जितना सोच रहे हो इतना लंबा नहीं जाएगा. बहुत जल्दी ओपन अप होने वाला है. रिलैक्सेशन देने पड़ेंगे गवर्नमेंट को. इकोनॉमी नहीं तो खत्म हो जाएगी. नहीं कर पाएंगे.
People are ready to risk their lives now because
you have to learn to live with this virus. Virus ये नहीं जाने वाला है.
It's not about the virus.
लोग रहना पड़ेगा. You have to learn.
जो focus करना चाहिए, that should be on your immunity. How to build up your immunity because उसका vaccination तो कोई उसका cure नहीं है.
Exactly. This is the only solution.
I'm very scared of that point as well. I'm ready to risk a lot of stuff and I feel my immunity might be there, but with older parents at home, it's a very scary prospect.
If you have parents, older people, so
I completely agree with that.
My mother lives about 5 minutes away from my house, or maybe 10 minutes. I have not seen her in 40 days. This is the first time in my life.
Same here. 5 minutes away she lives, but I haven't seen her.
And it's not because I can't go, I can go. But both my parents are above 65 years of age, so they're close to 70, both of them. So I don't want to compromise. I have help at home. जो बाहर जाते हैं सामान लेने वापस आते हैं, तो you never know what is happening. So कहना easy है. He's a lawyer, and I don't know how he'll go back to work. I have my dad's a lawyer. I don't know. It's a very scary prospect. I don't want him to go to court again ever.
That is personal.
So who's
आपके वो but सबके साथ नहीं होगा देवांशी. There are people उनको जाना पड़ेगा बाहर काम करने के लिए. Everyone is not that lucky और कि मेरा चल रहा है काम.
I agree.
They will have to go out, they have to work, they have to learn to live with this virus with all precautions. वो होगा.
I think we need to learn is the key here.
Yes.
And,
I would
Take
like
precautions,
to
proper precautions.
yes, Arpita, you were saying something, and Mohit was also saying something.
you won't believe क्योंकि Real Tooth is providing free consultation for dental problems nowadays since lockdown. So we are daily getting around 20-30 calls from patients who are ready to risk their life for the dental problem, for their pain, because they are having severe pain. And our problem is we cannot operate without any help from
Equipments.
assistant, from staff, from everything we have to look for. And we are literally telling them to, okay, take these medicines, continue for some days, then we will again say it, again we'll do it. But it's very difficult postponing these kind of emergency conditions. Which and the government has not marked these as emergency services
Correct.
also.
Correct.
So, right. So this kind of scenes will create problems.
Yes,
so
definitely.
people don't know that whether they'll go out or not.
Something positive with you all. I happened to attend a webinar by the owner of GVK, the person who Sanjay Reddy, who owns the airports, Bombay Airport and everything, who manages. So there was a webinar on the future of
GMR.
travel, GMR. Okay, no, but that was
GMR.
GVK.
Okay.
GMR. Yeah. So he said that, instead of looking at it as pre-COVID and post-COVID, if you try and look at it as pre-COVID vaccine and post-COVID vaccine. Okay, so he's saying that the vaccine will surely come. It's only, and everything will get back to normal. As of now, we are all feeling extremely lost because we don't know, like Partha is saying, कि काम करने जाना पड़ेगा. Absolutely correct. जाना पड़ेगा. बहुत लोगों के लिए it is a necessity, it is not a choice. But I hope that very soon there will be something out there that will help to protect us, which is a vaccination. And he said that, people will not travel for the next whatever time, 6 months, 8 months, 10 months, maybe a year. But the moment the vaccine comes out, everything will be back. People will start traveling again. So I just wanted to share that because it was a very positive, positive affirmation. He said, don't think of it as COVID, post-COVID world. Think of the pre-vaccine world and a post-vaccine world, for COVID-19.
It's
So
like optimism, glass full, half glass full, and half.
I found it like a thought that gave me some comfort.
Absolutely. One of the very good things that has come out in this time is how the nature has gotten clean so much.
True.
The air and everything. And I'm just expecting if only we can take some measures to maintain this cleanliness somehow. नहीं ये नहीं कुछ ऐसे measures जिसमें like the factories and the cars जो होता है अगर हम साल में भी कम कर पाए the whole world.
स्वप्निल क्या होगा पता है? अब जब फ्यूनरल में बरियल ग्राउंड पे जाते हो फ्यूनरल में ना सब दार्शनिक बन जाते हैं वापस आते हैं आधे घंटे में बैक टू दैट रेस
अभी लॉकडाउन खोल दीजिए अभी देखिए भीड़ कितनी होने वाली है
सब भूल जाएंगे
अभी स्टैट्स में किसी पढ़ रहा था जितना कोविड से डेथ्स होती हैं एक्चुअली में हॉस्पिटल्स में पेशेंट्स हैव स्टार्टेड कमिंग लेस इन नंबर जो रोज रोड एक्सीडेंट्स पे डेथ होती थी अबाउट 2000 वो ज्यादा थी.
In India, every fourth person dies of car accident.
So वो सारी इंक्वायरीज कम हो गई हैं इस चीज से. तो ऐसा नहीं कि कोविड इज ओनली द इशू, ऐसा नहीं है. लोग रोज मर रहे थे उससे ज्यादा चीजों को लेके. But it's just
and another thing is that at this time, if you just reflect back last year and the years before, we used to wait. अरे भैया DM भैया बंद करो जल्दी school. Look at the weather right now.
See the weather.
Look at the weather.
It's amazing.
May this weather.
Exactly. Second May, third May, and
a lot of people might,
mother used to go.
Right now I'm sitting with no AC.
Exactly. The cool breeze is outside. Sham ko you open the windows.
Anytime. I mean, throughout the day we don't need the AC as such.
के पीछे भी फूल हिल रहे हैं सारे.
याद रखे वो चीज है।
मैं तो बीच बीच पे भी चले जाती हूँ अपनी वर्चुअल बैकग्राउंड से।
एक चीज हम लोग और डिस्कस कर रहे थे सुबह, दैट हाउ पीपल हैव रियलाइज कि यू कैन स्टिल सर्वाइव इन वेरी लेस अमाउंट, लाइक किस तरीके से पीपल हैव
Minimum expenses.
यस। सो ये जो निकल के आई, इट्स नॉट द कॉस्ट ऑफ लिविंग, इट्स योर कॉस्ट ऑफ लग्जरी लिविंग।
Luxury.
लाइफस्टाइल जो है, लाइफस्टाइल उससे होता है कि बाहर जाना, बाहर खाना है, बट अभी भी हम लोग रह रहे हैं, वी ईटिंग नॉर्मल फूड एंड एवरीथिंग, और अच्छे तरीके से फल फ्रूट सब, ऐसा कुछ नहीं दिक्कत।
Good food at home.
Yeah. I am loving that the Swiggy will deliver in an hour's time kind of thing. I love this fact because मुझे हमेशा irritation होती थी कि 2 दिन बाद, 1 दिन बाद. Now you order and 1 घंटे में बंदा आके खड़ा हो जाता है.
सही में।
And I like this.
Yeah, I was very scared to cook in front of my maid or cook क्योंकि मुझे लगता था वो मुझे जज कर रहे हैं क्योंकि मुझे तो खाना नहीं बनाना आता है. Now there is no maid or cook and I feel so comfortable in the kitchen. There's no one to judge me. खराब भी हो गया तो कोई बात नहीं, चुपके से फेंक दूंगी, दूसरा बना दूंगी or something like that.
कोई दिक्कत नहीं। कटरीना कैफ की फोटो देखी झाड़ू लगाते हुए, तो सब इट्स ओके।
I love the way she motivated the entire country this way with one.
के लिए क्वारंटाइन एक्सरसाइज
होने चाहिए.
But the thing is, we always wanted to go to US and UK, foreign country में ये
अब
होता
वैसा
है.
बन
अब
रहा है,
देखिए
वैसे
ना आप लोग
सिचुएशन।
foreign country में आ
And
गए हो.
after the lockdown, I'm telling you, जो है starts, India is going to rise really well because China से तो लोग जो भी like I have people in Amazon and all बाहर, तो सब कुछ purchases बंद हो रखे हैं. Firstly डर के मारे कि चाइनीज है, सेकेंडली आउट ऑफ एग्रेशन भी रहेगा लोगों से, स्टॉप बाइंग चाइनीज प्रोडक्ट. इंडिया के पास बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी इफ यू आर इनटू मैन्युफैक्चरिंग किसी भी तरीके का.
आज टाइम में पढ़ा था कि यूपी is going to be, Martha, I read it on LGD.
बाइकआउट कर रहे हैं सब लोग.
UP is going to go high because China से जितने भी manufacturing units है, they might come to UP.
They are all shifting. Yes, they are all shifting here to India.
So
They're all
let's see what
planning
happens.
China will be boycotted from all the world.
तो boycott हो जाएगा.
Still a long way, but
the crafting world.
Korea or Bangladesh is an option. Bangladesh.
हाँ, बांग्लादेश, श्रीलंका, साउथ एशियन कंट्रीज
बांग्लादेश
आएंगी.
हमारा है, बांग्लादेश तो हमारा है.
Don't forget you fought a war against them, So
Yeah, अब हमारा है. हम जीत चुके हैं.
पहले ममता दीदी को तो अपना कर लो.
By God.
वो थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है.
I think we are deviating from our
we deviated long time. That's why a lot of people have left because we are now chit chatting. जो हो गया.
I was enjoying on the other side. I was enjoying.
No, you are on the same side. You're still in the conversation. You are on our side now. जिसको छोड़ना तो वो जा रहा है चुपचाप कि अब बातें कर रहे हैं.
अब ये फालतू बातें कर रहे हैं ये लोग.
बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है.
लेकिन ऐसी फालतू बातों के लिए हम लोग आराम रहता है.
This is mental health
कुछ
ना.
करने को भी.
अच्छा तो हम लोग पार्टी में क्या करते हैं, हम लोग इवेंट्स में क्या करते हैं. This is what we do, right? This is the social skills, the social part which we are missing out, all of us.
Yes.
This banter, this chit chat where it doesn't have any meaning, nobody has any
Meaning or-
agenda, but it's
True.
nice to just talk your heart out. Okay, everybody is in the same boat and we want to talk.
So somebody said very rightly कि जो situation इसको negatively ना ले, and use this, think, just sit down and think how we can make a change in our existing business because there's surely a way. हम अपने outlook को जब तक थोड़ा और खोलेंगे नहीं, हम अपने आप को फंसा पाएंगे. So it's important, and also not focus on having one source of income. You should always have like multiple sources of income. Think about that. So like I am now thinking of Surabhi going into like full-time photography.
Oh, nice.
Doing wedding photography because I left it quite back.
But you are a good photographer. Why not?
Yeah. So things like that.
Devanshi, you were saying something.
Music band.
यार पहले इतनी बड़ी गैदरिंग कब होगी, अभी तो वही नहीं पता है. सोलो
नहीं पता.
Portrait photography.
But he takes very good pictures. Really good.
Yes. Yes.
अब की बार LinkedIn में Swapnil has to take headshot of everybody. Everybody gets
so
a
I have
picture.
to make the
profile
website के लिए तो
वरना इतनी अलग-अलग तरीके की आएंगी ना, you will not like it. So the new website is a lot of labor of love. So
Okay.
I know the time and is been given back end पे काफी
I
चीजें
love
हुए
that group. I mean, that musical group, Flavor of Love. तो गाने बड़े अच्छे थे, याद है?
हैं
Okay,
हमें
guys,
याद
it's
नहीं
time for my evening walk. I need to step
yeah
out.
no we all have to
Okay. Yeah.
otherwise we can talk like this forever और लोग छोड़ते हुए चले जाएंगे
चले जाएंगे. But it's nice to talk
Chalo,
like
it was
this,
nice,
no?
everyone. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.
Okay,
Thank
bye.
you
Bye,
everyone
everyone.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.
Thank
I'll
you.
share
Thank
the
you.
chat I'll save the chat
Everyone.
and share it with in the group as well
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Okay. Great. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, bye.
I think I have to end the
Bye-bye.
meeting right
Yeah.
This is the meeting end button thank you Devanshi oh, I forgot to say thank you
So please, that's super. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Actually, it was the best moderated session ever because मुझे कुछ नहीं करना पड़ा. Thank you so much.
हाँ,
I took a back seat.
Great.
Yeah.
सुरभि को उससे ज्यादा बोलने
But it
वाला
was-
कोई मिला फाइनली.
मुझे यही चाहिए. कोई मुझसे ज्यादा बोले तो मैं चुप रहूं थोड़ा सा. So I was able. That's why I was able to type so much because
पर
of
मेरे को like goofed up like anything. मैं तो कुछ बोला ही नहीं.
It's okay. Everybody is not good with
That's fine.
everything.
Yeah. Nice.
You are.
Even I didn't, but
But you didn't goof up. You ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. कि
नहीं
आप-
नहीं. Once he was moderating the session, he forgot to talk.
और सबसे कम बोलने वाला मैं ही था.
So I had to pitch in. Partha, what are you doing? He forgot to ask the question.
Yeah, we had very good speakers. That's why.
No, but he's good at summarizing.
All right.
So it's all right. It all balances out. हम लोग सब लोग एक दूसरे के लिए हैं तो that's the whole point
Yeah.
of it. Na?
Yes.
कोई
Yeah,
भी- I am not good with a lot of things as well. So people help me out. Okay. चलो फिर guys. मैं भी-
Chalo then. See you guys. Okay.
Enjoy your
Bye-bye.
work.
Nice.
Enjoy your work,
Yeah.
Partha. Tomorrow. हम लोग को photo
Thank you.
भेजना. I will wait for a work selfie. We miss it.
पक्का done. Okay, thank you.
Bye, bye,
Chalo,
Anita. Bye,
bye-bye.
Shoma.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thanks, Devanshi,
Bye.
once
Bye.
again. Bye.
Bye.